When I dip, you dip, we dip. Let's start by cutting off the top of one garlic bulb. Place some foil down nicely and place the garlic on top. Drizzle some extra virgin olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Wrap it up like a nice delicious present. Put it in the oven at 400 for about an hour. Now let's drain and rinse some cannellini beans. Once done, place in a bowl and set aside. Grab some chives. Chop up about a 1/4 cup into itty bitty tiny pieces and set aside and make a mess while you're at it too. Let the garlic cool down a bit and open it up to reveal that roasted goodness. Mash the garlic cloves out and set aside. Grab your food processor and toss those cannellini beans inside. Add the garlic, season with salt and freshly cracked pepper. Add those itty bitty chives, but save some for garnish later. Squeeze the juice out of a 1/2 lemon and add about a 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Pulse to your desired thickness, and you may have to adjust with more extra virgin olive oil or even some water. Have a taste, adjust any seasonings, and then plate. I do this for presentation. You gotta make it look good, right? Drizzle with some extra virgin olive oil, garnish with those itty bitty chives, and that's it. Okay, so next time you have a party, you're gonna make this dip. People are gonna ask about this dip. They're gonna wanna hear stories about this dip, the history of this dip. And you know what you're gonna tell them? To subscribe to this channel. And if there is no party, make it yourself. You could double dip all you want.
Did you just double dip that shit?
And as always, full recipe in the description below. Please like and comment. And until next time, ciao.